Good morning, YouTubers. Hey, this is the Mcanamee Homestead. I know it's been a while since I've done any videos. Just kind of wanted to let you know what was going on. We've been here for, this going on our second year, and pretty happy here. This is part of our property here. We've really been doing a lot of stuff, trying to make a homestead here. We started out by getting moved in. We've got a better trailer. I want to go over and try to pan a lot of this stuff. We've got a trailer put in. Now we purchased this property. It's approximately a little over 3 acres. And we've got a few things installed already. Little shop over there. Got a little smokehouse. Let's see. Little smokehouse right there. Next to it actually is a little greenhouse just on the other side of that. But we also purchased a larger tractor. Of course, like we've got bush hog attachments and different implements for that. Just basically stuff for the homestead. That's a pretty good sized tractor, about a 40 horse Ford. This here is going to be, or is our garden plot. It kind of tore up right now because now that the house is back over yonder, that there is somebody else's property. When it goes across the road, there's a road there. Now we've set up our pigs. There's our wonderful little guys. We've got four babies still. That's her babies. That's Mama. And then but they're happy in there, frolicking. With this nice weather today. Now they can go through and they go to the other side over there. Oh, excuse me. And got their water trough and stuff over there. There's Mama. We've got our chickens and rabbits. Our chickens are set up there. Behind you can see a little bit of a caged in area. Fenced in area. Chickens are in there. Waterers. And then that's our rabbitry. Right now we've got one buck, and he's servicing 6 does. And right now we've got one set of babies in there. I sold 2 of them the other day, but we've still got I believe there's 6 more in there. I'll show you a little picture here a little bit. But this here is a pile of mulch that we got when they cleaned up the tree lines around our area for the power lines. And it's been sitting quite a while. Not quite as long as like to make it soil, but it is getting to where it's pretty good loose stuff there. And what I'm doing is I'm taking it. I've got two garden plots that we've been using for the last, this will be the 3rd year this year. There's one plot, one garden, and I'm estimating this being probably 30 by 150, and you can kind of see it down there quite a ways. It's just an estimation. First year we grew corn. Second year corn. This year we haven't really decided what we're going to grow in there yet. Need to start thinking about it. And this is our second plot. Now this did our most of our vegetables, and again I'm taking this mulch, and because this soil is pretty clay-like, and now I've already taken the litter out of the pig pen and the rabbits and put it in there. But we've also took pig manure, and then I'm putting the mulch in there just to kind of loosen it up. When it rains, it does pretty good. Drains off pretty well, dries out pretty well. But I just really want to get some more organic matter in there to kind of keep it loosened up. Like I said, we're not sure what we're going to do for garden this year yet. We haven't planned it. Last year before we did, year before the first year, we did okay. Had some good tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, green beans. Last year we did really well with tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, green beans. Well, green beans they did all right. Not as good as the first year. But we did pickles. We've got a really good pickle recipe that everybody enjoys buying. We sell pickles. We did salsa last year, and we had wonderful peppers last year. It's just I couldn't believe how well we did with peppers last year. I don't know if it was because of the weather or what, but it really, we were glad that we were able to get it as good as we did. But we're not sure what this year holds for us. One of the reasons what's been going on is that my wife got sick. Ended up with stage 3 heart failure, and so as far as what she can do, she's limited. But she still does stuff. She just can't work. So, you know, she did get on disability, but you know, that's what it is. Well, it is what it is. But we're trying now to make a homestead, trying to live simple. Like I said, she can't work, so she does what she can here. And we're trying to get a little homestead built. This is like I said, it's 3 acres. It's not a whole bunch, but as you can see, we on just probably an acre of it, we've done quite a bit. I think my pigs are trying to break out. But just to kind of let you know what's going on, and keep you guys posted. I'm going to try to post this. I don't know. We don't have internet out here, so we'll have to figure out how to. I'm going to have to figure out how to post this. It's going to be a transfer, I'm sure. But we'll try to get it posted to my YouTube channel and see if we can get this stuff going on again. So bear with me, hang tight, and we'll see if we can get some stuff. So for right now, just good luck with your endeavors, and keep us in mind, and try to come back to the channel when you can. Alright, thank you.